This is one of our busier traffic areas within the metropolitan area. This particular roadway carries over 100,000 vehicles a day. Due to the pier settlement, there was an approximate 4-inch dip, and it was very noticeable. Due to the nature of this location, of high profile it is from a traffic perspective, this was night work and weekend work. We had to coordinate with our construction crews, our maintenance staff, to come together to come up with a traffic control plan and a construction plan. The work involved milling the section that had the dip in it. We came back and added a layer of asphalt and tied in to where we performed the 1-inch milling to actually smooth out that dip to where the transition is virtually unnoticeable. Due to the planning and collaboration, we were able to get this work done approximately 21 hours early, which was a benefit to the contractor, to DOTD, and to our customers who use this road on a daily basis.